Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRN. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. But today, the price made a very nice move, and not even really today, more so just this afternoon. Again, each one of those represents 15 minutes. So this all happened late afternoon. So, again, sure, it happened today, but it's not like this was going on all day long. It was simply a very boring day. You can see nothing was going on at all. And then the afternoon happened, and the big price movement followed. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $2.18. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.18, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $2.18, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that will be the bottom of this little miniature consolidation right here at $2.10. So 218, 210, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The price action's in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 218. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price can stay up above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party finally stopped today right up there at $2.28. So 228 will be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, top priority, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over time, everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.